What's up guys, it's Corey with HydroWraps. Today I'm going to show you how I went from a static logo to a GIF logo on Shopify that actually showcases my brand. So I'm going to hop over into Canva. I'm going to create a design and I'm going to do this one as a video. I'm going to use clip art of a hydro flask, and then I'm going to slap on some images onto these and then create a GIF that will flow, and I'll turn that into a logo. I'm going to hop over here and grab my clip art and then also the logo that I want to use. I'm going to resize my logo. I've got these sized, and what I want to do, I'm going to group these and then center them so it's all perfectly centered. So this is the base structure that I've got. I'm going to work with moving forward. So I'm going to change the slide length to 1.5 seconds. And then I'm going to duplicate this 5 times. So now I've got 5 slides that are exactly the same as one another. And then I'm going to just pop over here and start dropping my images in. There we go. Drop an American flag here. I'm going to do this tree one. Added one too many. This one is going to be a sunset. I keep double clicking. Gray flag for this guy. And then this one's quite cool because this is a photo that I took on a trip in Montana, Outtro Falls. Oops, too soon. I'll drop the jade marble in. This one's going to be this jade marble design. I've got all my slides figured out and I've dropped the photos that I'm going to use for each. So now we're going to go and get the size right on the first one. And then we'll just kind of copy and paste this. We'll copy and paste this flag onto the other slides. Now I'm cropping the flag so it lands on the edge of the bottle. Enter, and then I'm going to send this layer to the back. There we go. This is going to be essentially the template. I'm actually going to select this layer, copy it, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste it on every slide. What the heck? Okay. So now that's in the right placement for all of these slides. Slide 2, do the same thing. I'm just gonna adjust this layer or adjust this image a little bit, and then I'm gonna crop it to match the same size as that first, the flag. And delete that flag. I'm gonna send this to back. There we have it. And then it's just rinse and repeat for the other ones. All right, we're on the last one. Same thing. I'm just gonna kind of resize it. Move it to where I want it to be. And then crop it. Oops. Let's go there. And there. Okay, that should be better. Send it back. There we have it. So I've got them all figured out. We'll play through it. To save this, I'm just going to share, download, and instead of downloading it as a video, I'm going to download it as a GIF. We've got our GIF downloaded. We're gonna hop over to Shopify, and then you're gonna go to your online store, themes, and then you're gonna customize your theme. And so what we're gonna customize is this logo that is currently a static logo, which is in the header. And then so you click on the header, and then you come over here to logo image, and this is where you can change it. Select from library, and then I'm going to drag. Let me go to my downloads where we have the GIF that we just created. And this is the design that I'm going to use. Select it, click done. So now we've got a cool little GIF logo that showcases the brand. All right, so that is how I went from a static logo to a GIF logo on Shopify. This is a pretty cool tool that can actually help you showcase a product or brand that you're trying to market. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in it, please consider liking, subscribing, and drop down any information in the comments. Is there an easier way to do this? Let me know how you're gonna do this. And we'll see you next time.